What is good, YouTube? It's your boy from Lumpy here, back with another YouTube video. Today, your boy hit some shoulder and some tricep. It was definitely a pretty good workout. I typically would want to hit chest with today, but I did not have time, unfortunately. I decided to hit shoulder instead of chest just because I really focused my chest last workout. You know, I got to keep the shoulders up to par with the chest. So I wanted to focus the shoulders today. But for breakfast, before I left for the workout, I had me 2 go squeezes, you know, just a little light carbs before I get the workout going. Each pack of go squeeze is 14 grams of carbohydrates, so the tube is 28 grams of carbs right before I came. Granted, of course, you typically want some more, but I'm not really a big eater right when I first wake up. So I like a light pre-workout snack or nothing at all, and then I'll try and eat a little heavier afterwards. Although I am supposed to gradually start bulking, but it's been a little difficult lately because all I got is cut food. I need to up the fat a little more, start getting some nuts, some cheese, shit like that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start bulking up a little bit more again. I am definitely decently lean right now, especially for a natty, so I want to bulk up maybe to around 200. Last time I checked, I was like 180 something, but bulk up to 200. A little micro bulk, nothing crazy, because I feel like typically my past bulks, I've put on like 30 to 40 pounds, which ends up being a lot of weight, a lot of fat, I should say specifically, and we want as much muscle as possible, so I'm going to try a different approach, a slighter bulk, a more gradual bulk, but also less of a change overall. That way, with the gradual approach, hopefully we'll be building more muscle than it is fat, you know. And not only that, when we cut back, we'll cut back gradually. That way we maintain that muscle as much as possible. But on another note, stock market has been going pretty crazy lately. Not stock specifically, but crypto. Crypto is definitely pretty scary in the sense that it's just super fucking volatile. I mean, I bought crypto for the first time a little over a year ago now, and yesterday was my first time being positive on crypto since that over a year ago. Like, I've literally never made money off of crypto until yesterday. I finally started actually reaping some profits. Holy shit, I cannot talk. But it seems like the reversal might be coming, guys. The crypto reversal might be here. Granted, when I bought it last year, I bought XRP at like $2.50, $3, which is clearly just a fuck up. So I've just been dollar cost averaging ever since, buying lower, and it dipped all the way down to like 90 cents or something like that. I bought a shitload more then, and now we're building back up with this reversal. Last time I saw it, it was like at 170, 160. It's definitely a little stagnant right now, but overall, about a 30% increase in my crypto just in the past week. Like, that's fucking insane. The fact that I've been negative like 25%, negative 25% in crypto, and now I'm up just like that in a week. It's ridiculous. You can see why a lot of professional investors say stay away from crypto. It's just very volatile. I look at it in the sense that it's like a super volatile stock. Like, take Bitcoin, for example. I mean, clearly in the long run, it has had a bullish uptrend. It's just when it is bearish, it is super fucking bearish. Like, we literally went from 125K peak down to literally $59,000. So it's just like a stock in this, but it's a lot more polar opposite when it's up and down compared to, like, you know, I feel like stocks are a lot less, the good stocks obviously are a lot less volatile in the sense that they don't drop, you know, 30-40% in a week and also go up 30-40% in a week. Of course they can, but like, that's the whole thing with crypto, is that it's just super fucking volatile. And when you hear people telling you not to invest, I think they're wrong in the sense that it's not that you shouldn't invest in crypto. I feel like crypto is a lot more timing than time in the market, while stocks are a lot more time in the market versus timing. Of course, I do think you can play time in the market on crypto, because if, like, I have Bitcoin, and I'm sure from 50 years from now, it's going to be well above the current average price of, the current set range of price. The current set price of Bitcoin is definitely going to be a shitload higher than it is now in 40 years. I mean, just think back 30 years ago, it wasn't even over $1,000 yet. You know what I mean? But yeah, when you look at the crypto graphs, you can see the very obvious spikes and dips. And when it spikes fucking hard as shit. And then when it dips fucking hard as shit. And realistically, you could be like me and buy at the spike and still make money, because I do believe like XRP will be over $3 one day, right? But who knows how long it'll be before we get there. So I just feel like crypto specifically is a lot more waiting for that huge drop, waiting for those reversals, and then selling at the spikes. Whereas I personally believe stocks are a lot more, long-term. Crypto can be long-term. It's just a matter of how you want to approach it. And I think realistically, for the idea of making profits and as much profit as possible in an efficiency sense, it'd be best to wait for the dips in crypto and sell at the spikes. Now, I'm not saying you should buy or sell or anything like that. This is not financial advice. These are just my thoughts, okay? But anyway, y'all have a good rest of your day. Your boy is gonna go to work. I'll probably get off, play some Apex Legends. I've been playing Minecraft, running it up with the boys. But I hope y'all have a good day. Hit your lift, hit your cardio, eat your macros, get your carb, your protein, and everybody slay the fucking day.